Welcome back for another video of how to reset my car. Today I'm going to show you I can reset the brake fluid indicator of a BMW 3 Series. This one is a 2015 model. When we turn the ignition on, this pops up over here and on the instrument cluster. And I'm going to show you in this video how to reset this. Okay, let's start. First of all, turn the ignition or press the ignition onto the second position. All the lights must go on. Then we're going to use the BC button to get rid of all the requirements over here. Have it all cleared. Then press this button over here. Keep it pressed to enter the service menu. Scroll through the menu by pressing this one. Find the surface indicator you want to reset. In this case, the brake fluid. Press and hold it till it says reset, release, press again, and you'll see that the indicator will go away. You'll see that the brake fluid indicator is turned green, so it has been reset. You can do the same for the engine oil. Press and hold. Find engine oil, the red one, press and hold again. From reset, release, press again. And watch it over here, turn green. And when it turns green, you know that it has been reset. You can scroll through the menu to find out which indicator to reset, and do the same for the other indicators to get rid of the bugging red indicator on the dashboard. That was it for today. Thanks for watching and hope to see you next time with another video. Stay safe, take care, bye bye.